Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, we are given a quadrilateral ABCD with two right angles at vertices B and D. We also know that the interior angle at A is 60 degrees. The base side AB is 6 square root of 3 and the vertical side BC is 10. Our goal is to find the exact area of this quadrilateral. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comment section. Now, to solve this problem, you could try splitting this into two triangles, using a diagonal, but the trigonometry gets messy, very quickly. Instead, let me show you an incredibly elegant geometric trick, that makes this problem a breeze. The secret to solving this elegantly, lies in looking at the angles we already have, a 90-degree angle, and a 60-degree angle. This strongly hints at a classic 30-60-90 right triangle. To reveal it, let's extend BC and AD upward, until they intersect at a new point, which we will call E. Look at the large triangle we have just created. Triangle ABE. Since angle ABE is equal to 90 degrees, and angle BAE is 60 degrees, the remaining angle at the top, angle AEB, must be exactly 30 degrees. Now, let's focus on triangle ABE. From trigonometric ratios, tangent of 60 degrees is equal to BE over AB. We know that tangent of 60 degrees is equal to the square root of 3 and AB is equal to 6 square root of 3. Substituting the values into our expression will give us the square root of 3 is equal to BE over 6 square root of 3. By cross multiplication, BE is equal to the square root of 3 times 6 square root of 3. Since the square root of 3 times 6 square root of 3 is equal to 18, therefore, BE is equal to 18. Next, let's find the total area of this large triangle. To do this, let's recall that the area of a triangle is equal to 1 over 2 times the base times the height. So, the area of triangle ABE is equal to 1 over 2 times AB times BE. Let's plug in our values. AB is 6 square root of 3 and BE is 18. That gives us 1 over 2 times 6 square root of 3 times 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And we are left with 1 times 6 square root of 3 times 9, which is equal to 54 square root of 3. Therefore, the area of triangle ABE is equal to 54 square root of 3. Now, to find the area of our original quadrilateral, all we need to do is subtract the area of the small upper triangle, triangle CDE, from our large triangle, triangle ABE. To do this, first, let's find the length of CE. Since the total length of BE is 18, and BC is 10, to find CE, we subtract BC from BE. Therefore, CE is equal to 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. Now, look closely at triangle CDE. Since angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees, angle CDE must also be 90 degrees, because the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. And the top angle is still 30 degrees. Therefore, triangle CDE is another 30-60-90 triangle. Again, using trigonometric ratios, sine of 30 degrees is equal to CD over CE. Sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2. And CE is 8. Substituting these values gives us 1 over 2 is equal to CD over 8. By cross multiplication, CD is equal to 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, CD is equal to 4. Next, cosine of 30 degrees is equal to DE over CE. Cosine of 30 degrees is the square root of 3 over 2. And CE is equal to 8. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us the square root of 3 over 2 is equal to DE over 8. Cross multiplying gives us DE is equal to 8 square root of 3 over 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, DE is equal to 4 square root of 3. Now, let's find the area of this smaller triangle, triangle CDE. The area is 1 over 2 times CD times DE. CD is equal to 4. And DE is equal to 4 square root of 3. If we plug in these values into the expression, we will have 1 over 2 times 4 square root of 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 times 4 square root of 3 gives us 8 square root of 3. To get the final area of quadrilateral ABCD, we just subtract the small triangle from the large one. The area of triangle ABE is 54 square root of 3. And the area of triangle CDE is 8 square root of 3. 54 square root of 3 minus 8 square root of 3 is equal to 46 square root of 3. And there you have it. The exact area of the quadrilateral is 46 square root of 3 square units. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.